told you.
It's just a game, Kyle.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
This board can bring in demons.
I made it.
spirit.
How is it gonna bring in demons? There's a
'Cause
piece
you
of
never know.
cardboard and Sharpie.
So what? Mom and Dad will never let us in the
But
house.
Mom and Dad aren't here right now. Just play. You guys want to play with me?
Yeah.
You're making the wrong decision.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are there any spirits in this house? Take it back to the middle.
When you guys are faking that, no. Because there's no spirits in the house.
Are you a female? What is your name?
Alright, enough. Stop.
It's just.
Great. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, 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 no. Erica.
Sorry.
Erica,
Erica.
are you okay?
Where's she going?
She doesn't love me.
Erica, who?
Erica, who are you?
Who you talking to? Erica?
Erica,
What?
she's here.
Who?